Bluehost is one of the leaders in website hosting and powers more than 2 million websites. One of the reasons that it is so popular is because it does a great job of demystifying the process of setting up a website for beginners. This is especially true if you're looking to use WordPress to build your website. In addition to ease of use, all Bluehost plans include a free domain for the first year, as well as great uptime, based on real-life data, a free CDN, an easy website builder, and a free SSL certificate. This hosting service provides you with everything you need in one place. But is it the right hosting service for you? Let's find out. Bluehost compared to the best web hosting services. After 2 weeks of rigorous testing, which included signing up, building a website, talking to customer support, and 30 days worth of uptime and speed testing, Bluehost came in at number 5 in our list of the 8 best web hosting providers. Although other hosts outperformed Bluehost, it's still an excellent choice and our top pick if you're looking for a free, beginner-friendly WordPress drag-and-drop site builder. If that's not something you care about, there may be a better option. See all of our top picks to check out in-depth reviews by a team of researchers who've actually used the products, our scoring strategy, and which one is best depending on what you need. Bluehost, the good and the bad. Every web hosting service has its flaws, even the most exclusive. Here's an in-depth look into Bluehost's top good and bad features. The good. Great security. Bluehost has one of the best security measures on the market. All Bluehost security features are efficient and will help you cut back hours of tweaking your website. It will also give you peace of mind, which is especially needed for absolute beginners. All Bluehost plans come with resource protection, and CodeGuard Backup Basic can be added for an additional $2.99 per month. CodeGuard will help you with daily backups and monitoring while notifying you of any changes. The most basic version of this security feature comes with 1 GB storage space, daily backup and monitoring, and 3 restorations per month. However, for the more expensive plans like Choice Plus and Pro, you can expect free automatic backups for 1 year and 24/7 network monitoring. Extensive and fast customer support. Another excellent feature of Bluehost is its extensive and fast customer support base. Customer support is paramount for any web hosting service to have, but finding a service that has fast and efficient support can be a dime a dozen. Luckily, Bluehost offers just that, and most users have said the customer support is very helpful when needing immediate support. In fact, there's a high chance you will connect to Bluehost's live chat system within 5 minutes of waiting. All of its support base is available 24/7, so you don't need to worry about figuring out time zones. Bluehost also offers phone and email support, but the waiting times vary. However, you always have the option to pass the time by browsing its extensive knowledge-based support forum for multiple questions, videos, in-depth articles, and support resources on everything web hosting related. Easy to use. Not only is Bluehost the most popular web hosting service on the market for its outstanding features and products, but it's also because it's so incredibly easy to use. Ease of use is an important feature to have because web hosting can already be confusing to some, so there's no need for the onboarding process to be difficult, too. Fear not though, as Bluehost has an easy onboarding process that takes a few minutes to complete. To get your website up and running with an intuitive interface, it will ask you to fill out a form that includes your website goals, what you want to add to your site, and what you want your name and the tagline of your site to be. After answering these questions, you get to choose a theme of your choice from the Bluehost marketplace, and then it automatically installs WordPress for your ultimate convenience. All you have to worry about is customization, while Bluehost takes care of the backend and the technical nitty-gritty. High-performance servers. The last thing that's great about Bluehost is that it offers very high-performance servers to all users purchasing the Pro plan. Although it's not always ideal for every user to fork out more money, we think you get what you pay for. For $14.95 per month, you get access to dual quad processor performance servers that will keep large e-commerce websites functioning effectively. This server is an excellent option for larger websites because Bluehost makes sure there are fewer users per server with an individual file count of 300,000, so there are no slowdowns for anyone involved. However, if you don't want to pay the price for these servers, we still think regular Bluehost servers that come with the other plans are great and work just fine. Reasonable cost. When you select Bluehost, you receive a number of benefits related to the cost of the service. The monthly price is relatively low, especially when you commit to a 36-month subscription. You can receive a free domain name for the first year if you are a new customer. You don't have to worry about hidden costs with a Bluehost subscription. Finally, you receive a 30-day money-back guarantee with Bluehost, so you don't have to worry about risking the money you are spending. The bad. No free site migration. Now here's where the downsides come into play. Currently, Bluehost does not offer free site migration, which can be an issue for users transferring from a different web hosting service. You can expect to pay a hefty $149.99 for Bluehost to migrate up to 5 websites and 20 email accounts. Although this service comes with 24/7 support, a complete review, and an uninterrupted transition, it's still quite expensive. For most users, especially when many other web hosting services will transfer your website for free. What's also not great is that this migration service does not cover reseller, VPS, or dedicated server accounts, nor does it include domain registrations. No guaranteed uptime. Unlike most web hosting services, Bluehost doesn't offer an uptime guarantee on any of its plans. This is concerning because downtime can be quite detrimental for website owners, as you can lose potential customers if your website is experiencing this. An uptime guarantee gives users that extra peace of mind and shows them that the provider will keep your website up and running in the most efficient way possible and is serious about the customer service experience while putting its customers' needs first. However, even though this may be an issue for some, many users have still applauded Bluehost for its uptime, regardless of guarantee, as the data shows it has an uptime of 99.99% efficiency. Overall, Bluehost is an excellent choice for beginners since it comes with everything you need to get started with WordPress, from a free domain name and automatic WordPress installation to a free drag-and-drop page builder and thorough step-by-step instructions for every step of the way. With extensive product offerings like WordPress hosting, shared hosting, dedicated hosting, and multi-tiered pricing plans, we think most users will enjoy the Bluehost experience. The good outweighs the bad, and it's definitely a web hosting service worth looking into, especially for WordPress users. Click on the link below for discount price.